Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be trying gyaru makeup for the first time. As you can see, this is the end result, but I filmed the entire process so you guys could see. It was a lot of fun. Don't say anything about my lashes. I'm not good at it.
First, I used Never Touch Up Face Primer by Ruby Kiss. I was inspired by this photo that I found on Pinterest. I searched black gyaru in order to find, girls who matched my skin tone. Now I'm using LA Girl Tinted Foundation. The eyeshadow palette that I'm using is Natural Lust by Too Faced. As you can see that I am very professionally blending in my eyeshadow. I did not record or took a photo or memorize a single one of the colors that I've used. Yes, I am I'm great at tutorials. What I'm trying to do here is recreate this under eye thing. I'm not sure what it's called, but I didn't use a dark enough eyeshadow for it to really pop out and see on camera. Now I'm using NYX's white eye and eyebrow pencil in the corners of my eyes for the highlights. I'm using NYX waterproof liquid eyeliner for the top and underneath my eye. Now I'm going in with the black eyeshadow to darken the lines. I know the color of this one though, blindfolded. I'm a professional. This stubborn lash right here did not want to line up with my eye, and instead of fixing it, I just left it that way. So it's sitting on top of my eyelid, looking terrible, while her sister over here is looking fine. Oh, by the way, this is just a random cheap eyelash I bought from Superdrug. I thought I recorded this part, but I did not. I applied foundation on my lips before coming in with a brown pencil liner by NYX as well. I saw a lot of photos where the gyaru's lips are very light or match their skin tone, so I took the lightest color in the Natural Lush eyeshadow palette and applied it on my lips. And then to finish off the whole look, I applied a heated lip gloss by Fenty Beauty. What do you guys think of the final result? Could I pass as a gal, or do I not look gal enough?
Bobby, look at me. Look at me.
What are you doing? Let me see. Let me see something. Oh, your eyes. Every ass. Oh, shit.
What do you think?
It look good.
You like it? So that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Roast me if you need to in the comments because I know I did everything wrong, but it was a lot of fun to do. I hope to see you guys whenever I upload again. Bye.